Today I'm going to show you guys how I created a super realistic crochet afro. I've been seeing this hair on socials and I thought I would give it a go myself. So the hair that I used for this was the Outre twisted up springy afro twist. And I did a really simple crochet pattern, just cornrows going backwards with leave out at the front and all over the side. The springy afro twist comes in different lengths and the length that I chose was 16 inches. So this style is also called sometimes Mali hair. So it's kind of like a very kinky hair. So this hair has already been pre-separated and pre-fluffed. So it comes in little sections. So it comes in 3 bundles and each bundle has sections of the hair that looks like this. This makes it easier to install because the hair has already been sectioned out for you. So this hair is often used to create like twists, but I'm gonna use it to create an afro. So the process is really simple. I'm just gonna take one of these sections and divide it in half, and then I'm gonna install it using my crochet hook. So I just started out at the back because I find that's easier for me, and you just gotta loop it once. So I would say this is probably the easiest crochet install I've ever done, because usually when I do curly installs, the hair is fine or it can be a bit silky, but this one, because it's already got that kinky texture, just one loop and it doesn't go anywhere. You don't have to loop it twice or thrice. So I moved through the install pretty fast. So I'm just at the tail end of the install now, and you can guess what song I'm miming to if you would like. I can't remember what it was, but I was having fun. So this whole install took me 1 pack of the Springy Afro twist and also 1 hour to do. That's minus the cornrows. And this is what it looked like when it was finished. So I trimmed it a little bit just to shape it. Honestly, I didn't do that much, just the bits that were sticking out, and I ended up trimming it slowly over a few days as I was wearing the hair. Once I was finished with the install, I just undid my leave out, which I had twisted all around my head. Now the reason why I had leave out all the way around was so that I could also put like my hair in buns and slick it back, just to give myself a bit more versatility. I do believe though next time that I will do it without leave out, because my preference for crochet is no leave out. It just makes it easier to wear. So the hair that I chose was color 2. This is the closest to my natural hair, and you can see that it blends quite well with it. My curl pattern isn't quite the same as the Springy Afro twist, but I didn't mind that too much. Once I've brushed my hair, you can see how well the Afro twist actually goes with my own hair. So this is the hair the day after the install. This is the hair about 3 weeks into the install. I did end up wearing it for about 5 weeks. I only took it out because I wanted to wash my hair, but I could have kept wearing it. It was really easy to maintain. I would just say just sleep with the bonnet. Otherwise, this hair just doesn't require any maintenance. It was super easy to install and really super easy to wear, so I would recommend it. If you like this video, leave a like and feel free to follow for more videos like this. Thank you.